In this tutorial, I'm giving you 4 free gifts to streamline your Premiere Pro workflow and take your editing skills to a professional level. Let's start with the first tool, Open Curve. I've created an animation for this square just to show you the struggle video editor's face when trying to tweak the graph editor. As you can see, I'm trying to ease into the speed, but you have to adjust every single movement individually, and it still doesn't look quite right. That's where Open Curve comes in. You'll find the link to the website down in the description. Once you're on the site, scroll down, click Download, and choose version 1.2.3.cpx. Note: this tool installs through an application called ZXP Installer. I'll show you how to open it. You'll also find the link for ZXP Installer in the description. After downloading, run the installer. Once ZXP Installer is open, select Adobe Premiere Pro since that's what we're working with. Then go to File, Open, and select the downloaded file location. Now it's successfully installed. Head back to Adobe Premiere Pro, go to Window Extensions, and you'll see Open Curve. Click to open it. As you can see, it's super simple and intuitive. Just select your clip on the timeline and control the speed curves however you want by raising or lowering the graph. You can even save multiple animation presets. Once you've dialed in the speed you want, just hit go. Just like that, all your keyframe values are updated at once. No need to adjust every frame individually. It saves you tons of time and effort. Moving on to our second tool, Dagger. Honestly, if you haven't heard of this one yet, you're missing out. It's a complete game changer that will save you a massive amount of time. First, grab the file using the link in the description. Select the right version for your system, Mac or Windows, and install it. Once that's done, open Premiere Pro. The very first thing you'll want to do after installing is assign a keyboard shortcut to trigger it. Go to the top menu under Window, Extensions, Spellbook. Search for the tool's name and map it to any key that isn't already tied to a standard Premiere shortcut. I personally use F11. Now, let's test it out. Press F11 and the tool instantly pops up. Just type a letter or two of any effect you use frequently, and it appears right away. For example, if I type G, Gaussian blur pops up immediately, ready to apply. Let's try another effect. Hit F11 again. Works like a charm every single time. Our third tool is TDR Nova. This is an easy-to-use, professional plugin that completely transforms your audio, making it sound broadcast-ready. It gives you far better control than Premiere's built-in tools. After extracting the folder and running the installer, drag your audio clip onto the timeline. Apologies that you can't hear the demo track due to copyright reasons, but I'll walk you through exactly how to use it. First, go to the Effects panel, click the menu icon, and select Audio Plugin Manager. In the window that pops up, click Scan for Plugins, then hit OK. Now, navigate to Effects, Audio Effects, VST Free EQ, and you'll spot TDR Nova. Pro tip: you can also search for it instantly using the Dagger extension we just covered. Drag the effect onto your audio clip, go to Effect Controls and click Edit. Here is the interface. Once you test it on your own track, you'll immediately hear the difference and appreciate the level of control this amazing tool offers. Our fourth and final free gift is Odin Pro. This tool is absolutely amazing. I've actually featured it in a previous video which I'll link right up in the cards for you. It comes packed with a massive variety of transitions, color grading presets, social media overlays, countdown timers, and so much more. All of these tools are 100% free, and you can find all the download links down in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to support me and help me keep bringing you more content. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you right away.